Since I've been at UTech, I was able to accomplish a lot of things. I was invited by Huawei to go and represent UTech in El Salvador as an effort to create innovative solutions.
We travel monthly to several countries across the world for debating, for training, and speaking up on things that matter.
UTech support growth. No one any of UTech keeping like tech expos. UTech having national competitions. There's always something there to test and improve to improve you as a student.
UTech has created avenues for you to take part in extracurricular activities. They have different clubs, they have different societies that you can be a part of based on your interests.
I got to experience many different cultures across the world to interact with persons from various backgrounds and faculties.
Honestly, it opened a lot of doors. I get to connect with industry leaders. I got job offers and did some interviews.
I would say the experience was really fun, not only because I was able to collaborate with people from other countries, but I was also able to exchange cultures and taste the food from other countries, and it was really great.
A lot of our lecturers encourage us, the students, to go out and expand and to network and to be a part of various initiatives that go beyond our own degree, our own programs. They continuously remind us that we're not just students, but we're also professionals.
Being involved will always open doors for opportunity. It will allow you to network, it will allow you to meet other people, and you never know which doors you may walk through just by continuing to participate in the activities that UTech has created.
UTech is special because of the people and the culture here.
Say yes to UTech, say yes to the challenges, say yes to the difficulties. To go out into the world, to challenge the world, to be challenged by the world, but ultimately to gain meaningful change in pursuing your own progress.